So we're active. X5M. Range Rover SV. Oh, it's a pedal and putt. Oh, nah, I'm having a go at this.
Go, 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 go. Up the curve, up the curve, up the curve. I'm pushing.
Shit, she's coming.
Yeah, but not here.
Stop, ich mache eine Rufqualität.
Traction control up. Slight altercation, aren't we?
Man can't do it like DRIVADAVE. Seaboot like still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gases, dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on track. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.
Yo, before we start this video, a quick disclaimer. All driving in this video was filmed in a controlled environment with permitted safety measures in place. Do not attempt to recreate anything you see in this video. We do not condone any dangerous or illegal driving. Always drive responsibly and respect local road laws. That's a disclaimer out the way, let's fucking go mad. So yo champs, the fucking drive has begun. Just know we've got a lot in store on this video. You're gonna see a lot that's going on, yeah. We're currently by Luton at the moment. Yeah, we're going to Folkestone, back to get on the tunnel fucking to France, and yeah, we're on Switzerland, baby. Let's fucking go, you bastards. We're with fucking Johnny from Donny and a few of his mad cowboy gypsy mates, you get me? Some real criminals. And yeah, we're active. Like, it's fucking mental. Like, she's a dream. When I tell you, she's got this, you know, the smell. Johnny's in front in a Bentley Bentayga. We've got an X5M behind, we've got a Urus behind that. We've got a Range Rover Vogue as well, but that's just for the camera crew, you know, because he's stushing that, doing up stushing us, but yeah. So we're heading to France anyway. I think we're going to stop off in France, stay the night there, and then we're going to go from there into Switzerland and get this up on the Alps and get some fucking savage drifts going. Let's fucking
I'm a no white boy up in London town, one phone call, I get the gun then round. Don't say a word, don't make a sound, get your gaff man out for £100. I'm a no white boy up in London town, one phone call, I get the place shut down.
security check. Cam's got about 7 ounce down his trousers right now. And you know, mate, we want to mooch your car, mooch your balls. Look at him, ginger bastard. Right then, so that's one down, one more to go. Bonjour!
Oi.
Lambo's getting spun as well. How did Johnny from Donny blend through though? He looks the hottest here. Him and Cleggy. Mad criminals. Look, even Scamps got through. How the fuck did Scamps get through in that X5 and blacked out on his own in a black trackie looking raving? I'm just in my Crocs, minding my own in sport mode. Got Cam driving through because I thought he looked more legal than me. Obviously not. Through the border we have plenty of illegal immigrants in the back of the car. They are all strapped to the exhaust pipe. So what you're saying then, we're just in France now. We've got the sat nav set. Next location. We're heading to Zurich. Check the views. There's not another car on the road, but Cam's in eco mode for some reason. Let me just fix that for him. Oh, she's a bit shaky after 130.
Needs a wheel balance.
She needs a balancing. She feels like a boat, bro. So yo, day 2, we're in Zurich right now.
Yeah.
We're heading off to the Swiss Alps. Gonna go and kick the car's heads in. Mad night in this Zurich, it's a mad gaff. Back to try and get out this car park now. When you see how we got in here, you'll understand it's not a joke. But yeah, stay tuned. Who are you trying to bully, you cunts? So we're active. Big Johnny in the Bentley X5M, Range Rover SV, hot Cleggy. Get me, family wagon, Urus. Heavy fucking cunts, you know? One bum's just driven from the whole side, one side of the world to the other to meet the boys. Oh, Cleggy, tell them something, man.
Got nothing left to give, buddy.
Man said I got nothing left to give, buddy. Oh, it's a pedal and putt. Oh, nah, I'm having a go at this. Oh my god, no luck.
Ready? Good. Does it go?
Pedals.
Nah.
Wheelie, should we do get a 12?
Go on, over the road, over the road, over the road.
Is it clear?
Go on, go on, go on, go on. Up the curb, up the curb, up the curb. I'm pushing.
Shit, she's coming.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
What are you doing, bro?
Video machen. Sonst ist
What are you doing?
He's pedal.
Yeah, but not here.
Stop.
Not in the
Ich mache. Ich rufe Polizei. Ich rufe jetzt.
My apologies.
Why are you doing this?
It's fun. We play.
Yeah, but why are you doing?
Because we play.
Don't you doing this?
Okay, we
Why
stop.
doing?
Stand here for.
Yeah,
It's fine.
yeah.
I know.
Go outside and
It's fine. You security?
yeah.
Yes. Security. So we've landed. We're in the Swiss Alps now. We're gonna go for some food and yeah, in the morning we're gonna get active early, so early night tonight. I just want to point something out to all of you, yeah. Like, if you go on your own and start trying to throw trades out there and lose, that's your problem. Don't be crying to us, calling our hustle a scam because you've just tried and been greedy. It went wrong, but luckily, thanks to Switzy, I brought it back. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you want to start making money off your phone, just click this, scan this QR code on the screen right now, yeah, and join our free community, and all the information to get involved's in there. And Switz, tell them a bit about it.
The thing is, guys, you don't need any previous knowledge. I'm here to show you, because you can tell them you have no GCSEs, because a lot of people think they need to be good at math.
No, but bro, anyone that's following me knows that I ain't no fucking brainy box, bro. I didn't go university, I didn't get no GCSEs, I was kicked out of school, and I'm doing better than most geezers that were in my class.
So guys, I'm here to show you exactly how to get started with zero knowledge and zero experience. So in case you want to get started and learn how to do it my way for 100% free, all you have to do is scan the QR code right now.
You heard the man? Scan the code. If you want to get paid, you know what to fucking do. Let's go.
Listen, I'm a no white boy up in London town. One phone call, I get the gunmen round. Don't say a word, don't make a sound. Get your gaff man out for a.
Well, mate, it's fucking minus fucking 20. We're in the Swiss Alps, you know. We got the wheelies, got the lumberjack. We mean fucking business. Right then, we're fucking off this. About to do some skids, eh, camp? As you can see, I'm a serious lumberjack. I mean business. We're in a Range Rover SV. This has got the new M5 engine in, but I doubt it's going to drift like an M5. I will try. Traction control off. Off. Go on, give it a... Hey, this is going to be doing some mad skids. Oh, this is ruthless to the traction off, you know.
Shit tonight, Kim named Charlie. Nice to meet you. You look lovely, bet you got a bad side too. Like
I'm right, send
we
it.
shut down West like Carney.
Oi, look
I
at
flex
him.
and press like Arnie.
We're in the fucking Alps, yeah. We're about to go mental. Look at the views, look. Take us in, check the rig out, look. You get me? I mean business. Got the lumberjack on. If you come off the side of here, you're absolutely dead. Look. What you saying? Scams couldn't get up?
Side was up there, then I thought we were hitting barrier, man.
What's it saying? Good?
Yeah, scat it.
Good.
Yeah, you just play with it.
She's biased rear as well, isn't she?
You remind me of Margot Robbie. Proper girl that a carbon copy. Chops like all tattoos, short figure thin, high 9 beef, 10 gram minimum, sugar and spice, vanilla and cinnamon. I can make you feel good. Chops
Go on.
vitamins, tips in the range, can't see who's in the front. Inside the back of the bills like a cinema, corner and drink. I can't get rid of her.
That's
I got
it.
eyes on the pound, she's a bit of charm. I'm Charlie, she's an angel, but I wanna put a hole in her halo. Soul man turn hateful, cause I play fool. Let my heart slide
Go
out
on,
when I say
again.
so.
Left, 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 left. Hey! Go on, you cunt!
She's straight up, mush. I thought you had some out.
Get this guy. What? If you think I'm doing that to that car, he's right foot.
Well, this is what we just said. Considering you're the best driver in the UK on a bike, you fucking drive a car like shit. You yak the arse in cars, you know what I mean?
What can we say there? You know,
DRIVADAVE, you yak the arse in cars.
Put the old gas on there, like that.
Put the It's becoming a handful up here.
Yeah, you should have been able to flick that then, really.
Someone's not looking good, is it?
No. Basically, what's gone on is, yeah, the X5M has let us down a slight tad today, but in its defence, it's going to redeem itself right now. And also, we have got summer P0. We've got P0s on it, innit? We've got summer P0s on it. Obviously, mans are normally driving around big gold chains on and that rollers. They ain't got time for winter tyres, you get me? Pan roof open and that, look.
Oh, so lads, let me tell you what's going on, yeah. Fucking put that on so you don't get knocked out. Bro, feds have been on to us. We've got to get out of here quick. This ain't going nowhere.
Oh, you need tow wire on it and pull it out.
Hey!
That's good. He's good there. He's going to have to send it forward. We need the tow wire.
No. The thing's going to get swallowed,
Get
lads.
the tow wire on and we can pull it out if we've got a route. Simple as that.
Okay.
So we've had it moved. Some geezers rung feds. We're in Switzerland. As you know, they just like to seize cars. Now Johnny's fucking bent it. He's in the fucking hole. Need to pull him out and get out of here. You got it? Come on.
You want to have this? You have to go steady.
Jesus. Go on, the boys.
Stop there. First back a little bit, Stan. Stop. Quick fit, you get me? We're sorted. You know what I'm saying? Tell them.
Active Johnny. I reckon just put 3 on it, it'll be right. 3 on stuff, alright.
It's slippy.
YouTube has got very strict, and that's why I haven't been uploading. I don't know if you have noticed, but YouTube have just locked it down, yeah? So all my mad, crazy DRIVADAVE shit, it'll be in Telegram now. The link to the Telegram is down below. So if you want to join that Telegram, everything that's going to be happening, like longer videos will be going in there, more, you know, more dangerous stuff as YouTube call it. I don't call it dangerous, but yeah. More shit will be going in the Telegram anyway. YouTube are not allowing us to do that much, so if you want to see some madness, jump in the Telegram, you know what to do. Flat big look. So, yo, 3 days done. Johnny, tell them what time is it?
It's fucking raffle time.
Let's go.
Gotta